Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and run pre-written S7 300 PLC project programs using PLCSim and WinCC Flexible software. To download any of the provided project codes into your virtual PLC, please follow these steps, assuming that you have already installed Siemens Simatic Manager and WinCC Flexible software on your computer. You will receive the project codes as zipped files for each related project. As an example, for project number 7, you will receive a zipped file name plcgoods 7code.zip. As an example, this video will guide you through the process of opening the zipped file of project 7 using Simatic Manager and WinCC Flexible software and show you how to execute or test the related project. To start with, let's click on Simatic Manager icon. And then when you receive the wizard window, since we don't want to start a new project, then click on cancel. And here, click on file and then retrieve. At this step, let's look at project number 7 and related folder and file and open it. Click on OK to unzip the folder and get access to the components of the folder. Tap on the plus sign to see the components of the project number 7 on the right side. Click on PLCSim symbol to open the related panel. And to see some outputs, then we need to insert output variables part. Now it is time to download the project number 7 to PLCSim. Now, to bring out the Simatic HMI window, click on the plus sign on the back of the icon and then on screens and screen 1. Now we have the WinCC editor window, but we don't need it. So let's go ahead and click on monitor icon to bring out the testing window of the WinCC Flexible. Let's arrange the windows for better view of the operation. Let's go ahead and open OB1 block to view the program code. And now here is the code, the project number 7 code. Let's arrange the windows for better view of the performance of the program. Let's go ahead and turn on the virtual PLC. And by clicking on eyeglasses icon, let's monitor the test of the program. Now, according to the definition of the project number 7, by clicking on I0, I can start the program. And by clicking on I02, I can go ahead and put the system in alarm mode. Notice that Q0 and 1 and 2 are activated right now, and program is functioning based on the definition. If WinCC Flexible software is not installed on your computer, you can still test the project code using only the PLCSim panel. As you can see, I am following the same steps to test the program code now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video where I presented how to download and execute a typical S7300 PLC program using PLCSim and WinCC software.